Hello and welcome to Module 1. During this module, we will concentrate on version control, system and DevOps side of things, Python, and of course, soft skills with some business English. Let's get started. In thread 1, you will know what is version control. You will get familiar with GitHub and Git. Try to open repo for course project and start utilize version control in all your projects. You will learn about basic commands like git add, commit, push, or pull. We'll learn how to clone repo, branch it, and create pull request for your changes. Next, you will learn the most utilizable tools and understandings for every developer. How networking is working, we'll have better understanding of system and containers. This knowledge in future will help you better cooperate with backend and DevOps engineers. You will find all references to courses in the description of this video. Keep your time and try to play around with Docker. Deploy a couple databases in your system. Try to utilize knowledge you learn as much as you can. Deploy everything with Docker and Docker Compose. It will help you to better manage your resources and keep your system much more cleaner. You can skew from course and do some things in your own way. Utilize everything you learned before. It's completely okay. You should learn to take ownership of the problem and solve it by your own and unique way. In thread 2, you will learn core Python concepts. Get to use coding and scripting in Python and use most common libs of Python like JSON, URL lib, OS, etc. Try to write simple Flask app and even do some web scraping. This will help you in final project for this course. In thread 3, try to focus on communication in English. English is the official language of IT. Also pay attention on soft skills. You are going to work in teams with different people, different culture and different hierarchies. So soft skills are vital. I collect the best free accessible courses to cover all these topics and put them into description. With that said, jump to description to start